Patience is a key element of success. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. To win big, you sometimes have to take big risks. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. Only through focus can you do world-class things, no matter how capable you are. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. I work hard because I love my work. We're changing the world with technology. I am not in competition with anyone but myself. My goal is to improve myself continuously. I was lucky to be in the right place at the right time. But many others were also in the same place. The difference was that I took action. Innovation is moving at a scarily fast pace. Investing in tomorrow's technology today is more critical than ever. I believe innovation is the most powerful force for change in the world.